Meaning of euphemism.
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 Euphemism. A euphemism is a way of substituting a harsh, offensive, or unpleasant term or concept with a milder or more indirect expression. It's a linguistic device used to make language more polite, sensitive, or socially acceptable. Euphemisms are often used in situations where direct language might be considered impolite or inappropriate, such as discussing sensitive topics like death, sex, or bodily functions. They're also used to soften the impact of negative news or events, or to avoid offending individuals or groups. In essence, a euphemism is a form of polite or indirect communication that avoids confrontational or controversial language.